Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today, we are going to discuss an example on periodic function and how to obtain the Laplace transformation of periodic function, where the given function is periodic with the period 2 pi by omega. And if you see this example, it indicates that the overall interval is between 0 to 2 pi by omega, but since it is split into two parts, that is between 0 to pi by omega and from pi by omega to 2 pi by omega, where between 0 to pi by omega the functional value will be e into sine omega t, and between pi by omega to 2 pi by omega the functional value will be 0. Okay, where e and omega are constants, that we need to keep it in a mind, because whenever we go for integration then we need to keep it aside. Okay, then we need to show that Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to this result. Okay, that will be shown, that is secondary, but initially we need to start with the periodic function results. Okay, therefore the Laplace transformation of periodic function with the period 2 pi by omega, it is given already, 2 pi by omega. Fine. What is periodic function says? Laplace transformation of periodic function says L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus st into integration between 0 to t e raised to minus st into f of t dt. This is the result given. What is that result given? The result given indicates the formula of finding Laplace transformation of the given function f of t of a periodic function. Otherwise, if it is not periodic, then we have a regular way to obtain the Laplace transformation, but since it's a periodic function, so we have this different formula to obtain the result, where t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, so let us substitute. Then Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s into a into t. But what is t? T is nothing but 2 pi by omega, so that we have to take. So it is 2 pi by omega, and integration between 0 to t, that is 2 pi by omega into e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Fine. So but the results are split into two parts. Fine, results are split into two parts. First is Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2 s pi divided by omega. Fine. First is integration between 0 to pi by omega e raised to minus st into f of t. Here f of t is equal to what? E into sine omega t with respect to t, plus second is between pi by omega to 2 pi by omega, where e raised to minus st into f of t, where the function is 0, that with respect to t, means this overall result second term becomes 0, so that that will not be considered for calculation part. Therefore Laplace transformation of f of t, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s pi by omega. Fine. Into, from here you can see e is a constant, it is given in the example itself, so that will be taken out. Then what remains? Integration between 0 to pi by omega into e raised to minus st into sine omega t dt. Fine. Since we have one result, we have a result which indicates, I'll be taking here, we have a result that indicates integration of e raised to at into sine bt dt is equal to, what this result says? E raised to at divided by a square plus b square into a sin bt minus b cos bt. Fine. We have this result. This result can be utilized to solve this example. But if you compare here, what is a and what is b in this? A is equal to minus s and b is equal to omega. Fine. So let us utilize this one to obtain the result. Then we will be getting Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to e divided by 1 minus e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus 2s pi by omega into, we can see, if we compare these two with replacement of a and b, then we will be getting a solution. What that solution says? The solution says, if you consider this result, then this will be equal to e raised to minus st divided by minus s the square plus omega square, because a is equal to minus s and b is equal to omega. This into minus s into sin omega t minus omega into cos omega t. This will be between 0 to pi by omega. Between 0 to pi by omega. Fine. Therefore, Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to e divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s pi by omega, that into, if you take this, that I will be taking it out, that is s square plus omega square into what remains now? E raised to this overall. This is taken out. Substitute upper and lower limit. If you substitute upper and lower limit, it becomes e raised to minus, in place of s we are substituting pi by omega, then it becomes pi t by omega. Pi, if you substitute this result, then it becomes, when we substitute upper and lower limit in place of t, then it becomes pi s by omega into minus s into sine, in place of omega we are substituting pi by omega. Fine. Then it will be pi get cancelled. I'll take once. Omega into pi by omega minus omega into cos omega into pi by omega. Okay. Minus lower limit, when we substitute, it becomes e raised to 0 into minus s sine 0 minus omega into cos 0. Fine. Therefore, Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to e divided by s square plus omega square into 1 minus e raised to minus 2s pi by omega into, here we can see what remains. Pi get cancelled. Then it becomes sin pi. What is the value of sin pi? 0. Okay. Here pi get omega get cancelled, then it will be equal to sin, or else I'll write once again, e raised to minus pi s by omega into minus s into 0 minus omega into 1. Right. Minus 1 into, because e raised to 0 is 1, then sin 0 is 0. Okay. Minus s into 0, then minus omega into 1. Fine. Therefore, which is equal to e divided by s square plus omega square into 1 minus e raised to minus 2s pi by omega into e raised to minus pi s by omega into, this is gone, 0. So what remains? Minus omega into here it is, this is 0, this is only omega, minus of minus plus omega. Fine. So which is equal to e divided by s square plus omega square into 1 minus, this can be taken as a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. If we take like that, then this will be equal to 1 minus e raised to this will be treated as square, means I'll take here, then it is e raised to minus s pi by omega into 1 plus e raised to minus s pi by omega. Fine. Then from here what is common? Omega is common. Then if you take, then it is 1 minus e raised to minus pi s by pi s divided by omega. Fine. So this term get cancelled. Therefore e omega divided by s square plus omega square, that into 1 plus e raised to minus s pi by omega. So this will be the solution for this given example. Therefore Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to e omega divided by s square plus omega square into 1 plus e raised to minus pi s by omega. So this is the required solution for the given example. Thank you.